Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be showing you these pastel neon color blocking nails. So to create this design, I'm using 5 very spring-worthy shades from China Glaze. There's a nice mix of bright and regular pastels, but the great thing about these nails is that they're very versatile, so you can use any colors you want. After a base coat, I'm going to apply highlight of my summer for the base color. Then I'm taking Shocking Pink and drawing a line down the middle of the nail and filling in one side. Now using a Waltz in the Park, I'll be outlining a half circle, then filling it in. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side with Cuba Diving. And make sure to mix and match the colors on the other nails for an even cooler abstract look. Then of course, I'm applying a layer of top coat. So that's it for this design. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later.